Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I will be showing you this homemade hair shampoo and conditioner powder which is made from all natural ingredients, and this is suitable for all hair types. The ingredients used in this shampoo is easily available, and this is the old grandma's recipe which I have been using for quite some time, and this has helped me in reducing hair fall, and it has also cleared my dandruff and helped my hair to grow long and strong. Instead of synthetic ingredients, the DIY shampoos are made with all the natural ingredients that can be found at home, and the ingredients not only cleanse your hair but also soothe your scalp and keep it moisturized. Homemade hair shampoo is safe to use because it doesn't strip your natural hair color, and it also helps to keep it radiant. All the nutrients, vitamins, oils and present in the ingredients will nourish your hair, keeps it healthy and beautiful. So if you want to know how I made this shampoo, continue watching. To make this shampoo powder, I have used all powdered ingredients. The first is neem powder. Neem powder is known for its medicinal properties. It is an effective herb to treat hair loss. Because it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, it is an excellent way to curb dandruff and also reduces hair fall. The next ingredient is amla powder, 1 tablespoon. Amla contains vitamin C and also antioxidants that help to fight free radicals causing hair damage. Regularly using amla for hair care will help to strengthen the hair shafts, preventing issues of breakage and split ends. The next ingredient is hibiscus powder. Again, I will be taking 1 tablespoon of this. It is also rich in vitamin C. It helps to boost collagen, which is required for hair growth. It adds luster to your hair. It stimulates hair growth, and it unclogs pores and cleanses your scalp. So the next ingredient and the main important ingredient of this hair shampoo is the fenugreek powder. Fenugreek seeds also have high protein. It contains gel-like substance which when soaked acts as conditioner and is beneficial for hair fall and dandruff, and it also treats scalp issues like itchy scalp. The next ingredient is arappu powder or chigre powder as it is known in south of India, and this can be found easily in any departmental stores. It acts as a natural conditioner, and this powder could do the trick even the most expensive and branded shampoos or conditioner fail to treat your hair. People who are using such herbal shampoos would always want to use this arappu powder. The next ingredient is shikakai. It is this herbal hair wash powder that cleanses your hair, nourishes the hair and maintains the moisture level of the hair. Because of its cleansing properties, it is used mostly in this herbal or dry shampoo powders. To make this shampoo and conditioner powder, all you need to do is mix 2 tablespoons each of arappu powder and shikakai powder with all the nourishing ingredients like amla powder, hibiscus powder, etc. While mixing, make sure that you use a dry bowl and a spoon to mix. You should not introduce any moisture in that, otherwise this powder will get spoiled. Once you mix everything thoroughly, you will get an homogeneous mixture of the shampoo powder which can be stored in an airtight container for more than 3 months. So while using this, you need to take at least 2 tablespoons of this mixture powder. Depending on the length of your hair, you can increase or decrease the powder. So this shampoo powder which contains shikakai is quite drying, so you need to oil your hair, or you can use a hair pack before using this shampoo. To use it, you need to take 2 tablespoons of this powder, mix in water or even rice water, and you can make a paste like this. You can keep this paste for 10 minutes before using it. You can use this shampoo paste as you use your regular shampoos. You can work up lather for 5 to 10 minutes and wash off with warm water. So this will cleanse your hair and also keeps it nourished, moisturized and healthy. This will reduce hair fall in the long run, and it will not irritate your scalp. So if you want to know more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel.